All right, let's talk about how to schedule lab time on campus through your Canvas class. In this case, I'm sitting in Landon's fourth quarter IERT summer 2021. Of course, if you're in a different class, and you probably will be, then of course this would say something different. But for the purposes of this example, I am currently a student in my fourth quarter IERT class. In order to schedule some lab time, here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to click on the calendar button over here on the left-hand side. That should open up the course calendar. Well, hopefully. There it is. So, looking at the course calendar, what I see here is each of the current fourth quarter assignments. Your assignments would be perhaps in a different color, but they would be scattered amongst the days of the quarter in the calendar. Over here, you have a button that says Find Appointment. This is going to show you things that are available that are not yet on your calendar. So we click on Find Appointment. We're going to use the current course. You'd have, of course, your Canvas class here, and click on Submit. And when we do so, you see that all of the actual events that are currently on your calendar are grayed out, and what's bolded are things that are available. And many of the things that are available here are lab access. So let's say, for example, that you wanted to come in on June 22nd at 10 o'clock for lab access. You would go over here to June 22nd at 10 o'clock, click on that button. It opens up this small window. It says, please indicate what you plan to accomplish. So let's say you want to build an amplifier. So what you'll do then is type in what you want to do. Build amplifier. So that I will know what it is that you want to do, and I can make sure that everything that you need is available. Okay, I do have a limit of 5 people at a time coming into the lab from each class. So currently there are 5 slots available. As soon as you click on the reserve button, there will be 4 slots available. So we will click on the reserve button to reserve this time on June 22nd, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. at the Central Campus IERT Lab. Click reserve. And when we do that, you'll notice that that entry in the list has become grayed out. It's become grayed out because it is now actually on your calendar. It is now, as it says at the bottom, reserved by you. Okay, so let's go ahead and move back up here. Click on the close button and go back to your actual calendar view, and you will see that now amongst all of the assignments that you have is your 10 a.m. lab access. 10 to 11, lab access. So that is now officially on your calendar, and you are now scheduled to come into lab. If for some reason you can't make it, you can go in your calendar, click on this, and then click on unreserve. Are you sure you want to delete your reservation? If you want to give me a reason, great. If not, you don't have to. Click on delete, and now that appointment is gone from your calendar, but it is now back in the available list. So here's your 10 a.m. lab access. It's no longer grayed out because it's no longer actually on your calendar. So basically this button switches back and forth between the things that are currently on your calendar, such as what you see now, and things that are not on your calendar but are available for you to place on your calendar simply by signing up for them. So that shows you how to go about signing up for lab hours in Canvas. If you have any questions, get a hold of me. Give me a call. Let me know. See me on Canvas. See me during your weekly office hours or whenever. Always here to help. Thanks for stopping by. See you later.